And the national government is set to disburse 10.5 billion shillings of the Road Maintenance Levy Fund to counties. Roads and Transport Cabinet Secretary, that is Davis Chirchir, says the government is getting a legal interpretation of the June 5th ruling and aligning the Road Maintenance Levy Fund to the 4th schedule of the Constitution to unlock delays in the disbursement of the road maintenance funds countrywide.
In the ruling, roads falling under the jurisdiction of counties will now have access to some 10.5 billion shillings allocation for road maintenance, with the court telling the National Assembly to disburse the monies by 30th June 2025. Today, the government is showing commitment to making this happen.
So we'll be working very quickly to resolve that challenge, get a legal interpretation of that ruling that we got on Thursday, and how quickly we can reconstitute Section 6 to allow us to be able to share that piece of revenue from RMLF and allow you guys to maintain our roads in that sharing formula that has been declared must include county governments.
The fund was initially set at 18 shillings per litre of fuel, but was increased to 25 shillings per litre in the financial year 2024-2025 to allow for the maintenance and development of roads countrywide. The government intends to collect at least 115 billion shillings per year in road maintenance levy charges. Currently, annual collections stand at about 80 billion shillings against annual road maintenance requirements of 150 billion shillings.
The revenues we receive on weekly basis, as every ship docks in Mombasa with 80 million KT of petroleum products. At a time like now, when we've come out of a rainy period, we need to be able to support our roads financially to ensure that we do not get the foundations of our road totally destroyed.
Chirchir was speaking at the launch of the Kenya Road Design Manuals and Specifications 2025 to address floated proposals to update and standardize various road designs across the country, including the size of speed humps and rumble strips, among other road infrastructure.
We have delivered a suite of updated manuals and specifications that will serve not only as technical references, but also as instruments for better planning, safer roads, sustainable infrastructure, and value for public investments.
Alanauko, Prime Edition.